Today we are going to create our first course. So in order to start creating our course, we go to courses and click on courses. And then on the top left side, we have our button to create a new course. We click on it and we give it a course. We have a course title. We can give it a course title, course 1, and the description. We can say, this is the first course. And then we click continue. And we have some options for the course layout, but we're not going to go with any of the options. We can go with ours. And we click here to go with a blank canvas. And once we choose the blank canvas, the system will give us 3 lessons that are unsaved, just as an idea, to get an idea of how this looks. On the top, we have the course title. Then we have a course description that we can continue writing. Okay, so we can continue ... and then we can go on the second row. This is still the course description. Okay. And then we have the take course button that will appear to the person who have not taken the course yet. And then we have the completion of the lessons. And then we have the lessons that are not created yet. And if we go on the right side and click on the course tab, we can see the course summary. We can see that the course is public, but this happens only once we publish it. We can see the URL of the course. We can click this button if it's pending on review. Usually we don't use it, but this is just in case we need to approach this way of doing things. Then we go to the course settings. And here we have the pricing of the course, and we can link the course to a product. By linking a course to a product, we say, when you buy this product, you will get access to this course. This is the way it works. We already have 2 products in here, so we can click on one of the products and we can review the status, and it will tell us that once we link the course to the product, everyone who bought this product will have access to this course. We're going to close this and not go ahead with this one. What we can do, we can eliminate this product if we don't want it and create a new product. So let's say we're going to create a new product from here, and we say course 1 product, and we're going to give it a price, let's say $100, and the description if we want to. And that's done. And now we assigned the course to a product. So when somebody is going to buy this product named course 1, they're going to get access to this course named course 1. We will look into this a little bit later to see how this works exactly, but this is a general overview of how this is set. Then if we go to the next section, we can see the access period for the course. So once they pay for the course, if it's paid, they will the student will get access immediately or on a specific date. If we choose a specific date, we can choose a date for that, and they will get access on that specific date after they join the course. We'll leave this to immediately. Then we have the options of the ending access. So it's never, or at a set period, after a set period, or on a specific date. So we want to say maybe this course will expire, the access will expire after 3 months. And we can set it like this, right? So We will set this to never. This is usually how it works. Then the learning mode is already set, so there is no need to look into this one. And after that, we have on the next section, the video part where we auto-complete the lesson. So the lesson will, if we check this, the lesson will be auto-completed after the video ends. Then we have auto pause to pause the video when the student navigates away. And we also have the option for the video to be viewed all the way before completing the lesson. Next, on the general section, we have the teacher of the course, and we can change the teacher if we want to, and we can also add co-teachers. But in order to do that, we must make sure that we have a username with the teacher role. Next, we can make a few conditions to view the course. So, for example, we can tie this course to another one, and only when that previous course has been completed, then the person who joined this course can have access to this one. Then on the access settings, we can check this to allow visitors to view the course without signing up. So if the course is paid and if a product is chosen, then this will not be available. We can also set this course as a featured course, and we can also disable notifications. Another thing that we can do is manage the students. So if we open this in another tab, we will be able to manage the students of the course, and we can manually enroll students if we want to by clicking the name of the student in here. And what else we can do? We can manage the grading for the course. So we can see the grades. We don't have anything at this point, but here you can see the grades. Now, let's say we want to start working on the lessons for this course. We will click first on publish to publish the course. And then we can view the course on another tab here. And this is how it looks at this point. And what we will start doing, we will start clicking on the lesson, on the first lesson, and we will click on edit lesson. This way, the system will take us to the lesson and to start working on that first lesson. So click continue. And this is the lesson content. We can write some text. This is the lesson content. And we can also add a video, for example. We'll click enter, and we'll click on the plus sign and say Presto video. And with this, we can add a video for our course. We click on Presto video, and we'll select the video. And we don't have any videos right now in the media library, so we'll click on upload files, and we will drag the file that we want in here. So let's upload the video. We will wait for the video to get uploaded. This can take some time depending on the size of the video. And after the video is uploaded, we will select it to insert it in the lesson. So click select, and the video is inserted in the lesson. In order to view the video, we will click publish on the lesson. And then we can view the lesson in the new tab. And this is how it looks. you have this message, but this will only show to the people who will see the course and they haven't purchased it yet. So click on play and the video is working. Okay, so this is the lesson in this course. We are in the course right now, and we can go to the second lesson, to the third lesson. We can click on contact teacher, and this is how it looks. So this is how we create a course. This is how we create a lesson. And let's take it to the next step. After we created the lesson, we can also navigate through the lessons of the course. And in the second lesson, we don't have anything. And going back to the first lesson, we can see our video. Okay, going back to the lesson, we're going to close the tab and we're going to refresh the page with the course. And we can see that the first lesson is not in draft mode anymore. So it's live. And then we go to the next lesson, to the second lesson, and so on until we finish with all the lessons for the course. If we want to add another lesson, we click on the plus sign and we select lesson or module. Usually we use lessons and we give it a name. So we say lesson number 4 and we click update. And after we update, we can edit the lesson. We click edit lesson, and then we can add content to this lesson. So we can add video. We can add pictures. So for example, let's say I don't want to add video in this lesson. I just want to add some text and some images. So let's say lesson content. And then I want to add an image and I click on the plus sign. And I type image in here and I select the image. Then I go to the media library if I want to choose something from the media library, and I choose one image, and that's that. We can resize it and we can do a lot more with this on the design side. We can add other things, right? Just like in Pages, we can add, and if we click browse, we can see all the things that we can add in this lesson. We can add an icon list if we want to, right? We can add a heading, right? So let's click on heading here. And if we click on the 3 dots here, 3 lines, we can see the document overview and we can add even more stuff. So we can get as creative as possible, right? So this is how we create a course and lessons for the course. Don't forget to publish the lesson after it's finished and click view. And then we can circle the lessons and we have the first lesson and the last lesson that are published. Now let's say we want to make this course free. We close all the other tabs, we go back to the course, and what we're going to do, we're going to uncheck the product, and we will set the open access to this course. And now it's going to be available for all the public, and we're going to view the course to see how it looks. And right now we're in the course page. As a side note, the design can be adjusted on any way we like, right? But this is just a structure to see how it's done. We click on the first lesson. Let's go into the course. And we see everything in a different way because we are enrolled with the course. And we can view the video. And the system is going to remember when you left off. So if you come back, if you leave the tab and come back, it will remember where you left off. After you finish the first lesson, let's say you finish the video, you click on complete lesson. And then it will take you to the next lesson, which for us is lesson 4, because these are unpublished, and it will complete the lessons. So the course is 50% complete for us right now. If I complete the next lesson, then my course will be complete, right? And I will get a message of congratulations on completing the course.